Okay folks, today we're going to talk about installing a full louvered arch, which is basically a shutter to go around a curved window. When you receive your order, you're going to receive several boxes. Most likely one large box will have the frame and then several panel boxes. Go ahead and open up the box. And depending on how large your shutter is, you'll see multiple pieces of the frame. Okay, once you get your frame unboxed, lay it flat on the floor and prepare to assemble it. So this one here, we'll have the corners will go together with what's called a Hoffman key, which is basically a little bow tie key that connects the frames together in the corners. And sometimes, depending on the size of the shutter, the frame will be mitered and will go together with pre-installed dowel pin. First step, at the top, go ahead and slide the two frames together. Okay. Then go down to the corners and assemble with the provided Hoffman keys. Slip them into one side, push down, and then slide the other frame into place. Okay, and repeat that for both sides. After you get your frame assembled and put in front of the window, go ahead and open up your panels. Okay, once you have your frame and panels in place in front of the window, you're ready to install. The installation process will be just like any other shutter. You'll want to put a nail or a screw, depends on what you're using, on the left upper hinge, and then go over and make sure the bottom of the shutter is level, and then nail the right side. Okay. Once you're tacked into place, you'll go ahead and insert your panels. After you've tacked your frame up and inserted the panels, the next step is to rack the shutter. That's where you will shift the bottom of the shutter left or right to make sure the bottom of the shutter is plumb and the doors open and close properly. Yep. Once you make sure the door is open and closed properly, you can go ahead and add the rest of the nails around the side of the frame. Now we do suggest using nails on anything arched because there is no insert in a shutter that has a curve on it versus a rectangle. So nails are best, or screws with a very small head. After you have your shutter nailed off, go ahead and adjust any tension screws that need adjustment. As with any shutter, the hinge attaches to the frame with two screws. There is also a pilot screw on each hinge. Go ahead and add a screw to the center hinge pilot hole just to keep the shutter from shifting up or down. You only have to do it on one hinge per panel. Okay, and that's how you install a louvered arch shutter. Same as any other shutter except for it's curved. The only thing left we have to do is to fill the holes and finish caulking any corners that need it. Simple as that. Look from the outside. Makes wonders for curb appeal. Okay, and there you have it. Everything's touched up. Nice and clean.